That bottle of CBD gummies in your cup holder isn't just pain relief, it's a ticking time bomb for your CDL. Misleading labels are leading thousands of drivers to federal bans. If you think trace amounts are safe, you're gambling your career on a chemical lie. Hi, I'm Ian Paul, the Mental Well Guy, and in this short informational video, I would like to give you a little warning about CBD products. Be careful, they say no THC, but not all packages are correct. In 2026, CDL drivers face a significant risk from CBD products. Mislabeling and high-potency oils can trigger positive roadside screenings. This is not just a minor issue, it's a serious threat to your livelihood. Let's break this down. CBD products often claim to be free of THC. However, they may contain trace amounts that accumulate in your body. These cannabinoids can linger in fatty tissues. Months later, they can trigger a positive test result. Imagine thinking you are safe because the label says THC-Free. You use it to manage pain. Then, out of nowhere, a roadside test reveals otherwise. Your career could end due to misleading claims. A crucial point to remember is that CBD products are not uniformly regulated. One bottle may contain more THC than stated. The risk of ingesting enough THC to fail a test is real. To sum it up, misleading labeling and the biochemical reality of cannabinoids can turn a safe choice into a deadly risk. Your pain relief could lead to a lifetime ban from driving commercially. Stay informed and cautious about what you consume. Always check labels and look for reliable testing. Don't gamble your career on products that may harm you in the long run. Act now. Share this information with fellow drivers. Help protect them from this growing trap before it's too late.